Now we'll discuss about a section arrange toolbars. Okay, what else we can do by using a arrange. For example, you selected this particular image. Okay, if you like to arrange this one vertically, in the vertical it is there, horizontal in the sense in a landscape, you would like to rotate it. Okay, how to rotate that one? We have to go to arrange, rotate, and you can say rotate clockwise 90 degree. Like this we can rotate the image. Again, rotate counterclockwise 90 or flip horizontally, in the sense it will be change direction, to change the direction, and then you can place where you like to place it. Okay, like this we can arrange. Or you if you like to arrange this particular section, okay, at the center. For example, here, this particular video, if you like to arrange at the center of the sheet, then we'll go to a arrange center of the page horizontally and vertically also. Arrange center of the page vertically. Like this we can to arrange the image or graph or your table. Okay, to arrange it in a way as your requirement, will be used this particular option arrange. Okay, arrange will be used when you like to arrange them in a different fashion. Okay, order, in the sense you, if it is overlap. For example, here this particular image is overlap on this particular image. If you like to take it back after this image, okay, it should be on top of this particular image. How to do that one? We have to select that particular image, arrange, order, send backward. Okay, so that it will be sent back. Again, if you like to send this one to back, arrange, order, send backward. Okay, like this we can send back, or to if it is there is a overlap of the image, then also we can use a arrange option. Okay, this is the use of the arrange toolbar.